Today we're going to fold the switch lighting bin boxes. They come in 3 different sizes. They're quite easy to do, but we'll just give you a little tutorial on how they're done. So we're going to fold up the sides, fold the top flap over, and these are going to clip into the little grooves there at the bottom. So we're going to do that on both sides. Put them in there and tie. And then these little flaps at the back are going to come fold in, and the back piece is going to fold over the top and slot into the groove. Okay, just give it a good squeeze there. So for the front section, what you want to do is fold these 2 bottom ones in. These 2 little outer flaps here need to be facing forward, and that part of the box needs to come over the top. This little front flap here is going to land sitting flush on the floor of the box, and you can pull it in like that. Just make sure those side ones are in and under the front there. So these ones now come forward, and this last one clips over there, clips over and holds the whole front of the box in place. And then you have the different variants and the different sizes.